Hi everyone, welcome back my channel. How to do it? How to change language in Zoom? First, open the Zoom app on your mobile. Click on new meeting. Now click on start a meeting. Connecting. Click on more. Now click on meeting settings. Click on speaking language. Select new language. Click on done. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for the watching. See you in a new video. Bye bye.